In this video, we're going to discuss the 4 types of people you meet, especially the one kind which is the difficult people. They are the ones that cause us the maximum amount of stress. Now, Patanjali says that there are only 4 types of people we're going to meet, and you may find that difficult to believe. You can think there's people from so many different religions, so many different ethnic groups, countries, nationalities, different financial backgrounds. How can there be only 4 types? He says that no, there are only 4 categories, and at any given point of time, we are in one or more of those 4 categories. And they are people who are happy, people who are unhappy or suffering, people who are virtuous, and people who are wicked. Now, people who are happy and people who are virtuous are easy to deal with. You're friendly towards them, you're joyful towards them, they're easy to handle. People who are suffering, we must learn to be compassionate with them. We should not be detached towards them, we should be compassionate towards them and help them whenever we can. Now, sometimes people who are suffering may try and harm us, but we must be able to differentiate that they're actually suffering and they're not inherently wicked, because there's a difference between the two. So those that are suffering, learn to overlook what they've done to you and be compassionate towards them. Now, the last category are the category of difficult people who you will always meet. You're going to meet them in your workplace, you're going to meet them in your family. They are people who harm you or try and harm you in some way. They may not be inherently wicked, but for some reason they are out to sometimes get you. Not always, but maybe sometimes. Now, how should one handle them? Now, Patanjali in his Yoga Sutras says that we should overlook, disregard, or be indifferent to the faults of that person. If we continuously think about what they're doing, then we will suffer. We should accept them for who they are and not think about what they've done to us. The Greek philosopher Epictetus, who lived in the 1st century AD, he said the same thing in a beautiful way. He formed the Stoic philosophy and he was very popular amongst American prisoners of war in Vietnam. He said it's not what happens to us that causes us pain. It's our thought about it that causes us suffering. If you remove the thought, we are at peace. That's basically the same thing that Patanjali was saying. When somebody does something to us, don't keep thinking about it. Stop thinking about it and you will be peaceful and your mind will be at ease. Now, in our next video, we're going to discuss and look at the 5 activities of the mind. We're going to go into the activities of the mind in greater detail. There are 3 activities that cause us pain, and we look at all 5 of them.